Alden with short update. And during Grand Media Conference for Sparkle World Tour, kasama iba pang mga Sparkle artists, yun know. May pamakdo pa nga si Alden, no? Diyan sa Grand Media Conference, may box ng McDo na sa likod. At interview kay Alden.
Sa upcoming gala, are you looking forward?
Kasama daw si Alden sa GMA Gala.
I'll keep you posted po. Don't worry. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Shooting mo for Hello Love Again. Yes, may sa plan. Yes po, parang mauna po akong umalis prior to this date. So, medyo matagal po kami dahil then clean up na lang yung schedule for me to be able to accommodate those dates. At paano mo napapagsabay-sabay lahat niya? Di ba? May shows, may movie, may series, iba. Nagugulang din po ako. Pero ako, I think I've grown in the industry by doing these things that I love and learn to love. So, wala na yung pagod. It's part of it. Basically, tulong mo lang yan. I'm good na. And at the end of the day, it's fulfilling din naman. It's how you see things. It's not what you do. It's how you see it. Ano bang purpose na? So, nandun akong purpose. Yeah. And basta lang, sige ko na lang. Ano kasi siya? It's very feeling natin. Kasi, syempre, yung mga supporters naman natin is not limited to the Philippines lang. Marami rin tayong mga kapusong Pinoy abroad. That's why we call them global heroes. And then, I really look forward to shows like this. It has been a while since my last international show in GMA. So, excited ako to go to those countries. Medyo marami nga sila. Medyo sunod-sunod sila kung nakikita niyo po. 9, 10, 11. Tinalagtagin ko po yung United States to Manila. But, exciting kasi at least, you know, ang objective naman talaga natin whenever we do shows like this is to really give joy and bring the Philippines again to bring the Philippines to our global Pinoys abroad. So, excited po.
Interview mo si Alden. Abangan niya sa 24 oras.
Dalawang shows in the US tapos dalawang shows in Canada.
How are you? How excited are you for this once again? Thank you so much for coming. This is really my guest
Like pa si Alden. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more update. Tara po ang with your reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.